Hey guys, sup? Welcome back to our vlog. So in this vlog, I'm gonna be showing you guys a dance. The dance I've already done before. It's to a song called Birds Imagine Dragons. Yes, I haven't danced for you guys in a few months. Videos were published just a few days ago, but it's been ages since I've actually danced for you guys. So here's another one just for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy. Okay, I'm all changed, I'm all ready. Let's get dancing.
Two hands, one blood, up in the blood, we were the flood, we were the fire. Two lives, one life, sticking it out, letting you down, making it right. Seasons they will change, life will make you grow, change will make you cry, cry, cry. Everything is temporary, everything will start, love will never die. Living the dream, watching the leaves, changing the seasons. Some nights I think of you, but living the past, wishing it lasts, wishing it dreaming. Seasons they will change, life will make you grow, death can make you hard, hard, hard. Everything is temporary, everything will start, love will never die, die, die. I know that you. When the moon is looking down, shining light upon your brow. I'm flying up to let you see.
Okay guys, so as you guys saw, I guess you could say it's quite ecstatic, it's quite energetic. That is what we want to do. So yeah. Keep it up, stars. So guys, remember to comment what songs you would like us to do. Remember to like and share this video. But most of all, don't forget to follow and be who you are. Subscribe. for this family